So with every single appearance this season, the now irrepressible Elaine Thompson-Herah is rewriting the script for the debates regarding the greatest female sprinter of all time. And look, the trajectory of these discussions can change in a jiffy. To be more precise, the status of the greatest female sprinter of all time could change from one person to the other in less than 11 seconds. That is how rapidly the landscape is changing right now because of the excellence of Elaine Thompson-Herah. That deficit in her body of work is being steadily eroded, first by her 100% sprint record at back-to-back Olympics, and then now by these lightning-quick times being recorded. I don't know if she's hearing all this talk about the GOAT debate and her body of work and blah, 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 and decides to say, oh, this is sprinting, and me have put down a body of speed that nobody ever put down before. I mean, to have gotten to within 0.05 of a second to a world record that everybody thought was tainted and unbreakable, plus to be the closest woman to the other sprint world record, which is perceived equally as tainted and unbreakable. Elaine Thompson-Herah is now showing the world that what was thought to be impossible is indeed possible, which is what true greatness is all about. Yes.